As a SoFi member, you have access to benefits and tools that can help you get your money right, including one-on-one coaching with a credentialed financial planner, personalized estate planning, and bonuses for referring friends. Sit down virtually with one of our credentialed financial planners to go over your personal financial goals, ask questions, create a plan, and build confidence in your ability to manage your finances. And setting up your first meeting is easy. Simply visit SoFi app. Click on your profile photo in the upper left-hand corner. Select Members Benefits. Scroll down to Financial Planners and select Schedule Time. You'll then be directed to book a meeting with the SoFi Financial Planner. You also have access to estate planning services through our partners at Trust and Will. To draft your will, click on Members Benefits. Scroll down to Willison Estate Planning and then select Sign Up with Trust and Will. And make sure to bring your friends, because each friend you refer to SoFi puts cash in your account. Select Invite Friends. And if they qualify, you'll receive your cash reward. There's so much available to you as a SoFi member. Learn more about all our member benefits at sofi.com/member benefits.